How do you set boundaries without being rude? That question I got asked yesterday. We were speaking about working from home and how it sometimes comes with a bit of a struggle, because all of a sudden you are confined to this small space with, even though they're your loved ones, they can still, upset you from time to time. And I recommend that you set clear boundaries and really make it clear when you can be disturbed and when you can't. And not only to the people surrounding you, your family, but also to your co-workers, your colleagues, your boss, and your clients. Set clear boundaries. Now, how do you do that without being rude? The key principle here is to communicate. Communicate, and rather communicate more and early instead of only keeping it to yourself or in your head and letting it out in a very explosive manner. And that is what happens these days a lot, because we think it, but we don't say it. And then when somebody crosses our boundary, we can get upset, and because we are in a small place, things can get explosive and then you can be seen as rude. So my tip would be, make sure to set some boundaries, meaning be clear on when you can be disturbed. People can walk in for a question or people can ping you for a question, and when you can't be disturbed because you are working on something that is critical and you need to focus. And also communicate when you're done working and you have truly time for your family members and your children. And then if you communicate that clearly to everyone involved, and if you communicated it right up front, everybody will respect your boundaries and everybody will actually work with you to make it happen. So for your own pleasure and to make it work, communicate your boundaries up front and be clear about them. Bye for now.